Hey guys, this is me again, your favorite YouTuber. So nice to meet you again. But as you can see, I'm sick, but you can't see anything because you're in the dark. Stupid. Alright. So I got something. So my phone got me. Do you nuts? Ha! Got him. Sorry, I can't edit. I don't know how to. But anyways, so I'm just gonna be making my own soundtracks. But anyways, uh, my phone got me. It got him. Got me. So I had to remake a whole new account because it couldn't verify my actual age. But yeah. So everything that you used to know is gone. All of it deleted. Gone. Ciao.